Good morning, my viewer and subscriber. Very nice, and you are very excited to going to there.
Yeah, I'm very excited for going to assembly for a program.
Thank you.
I'm okay, and you?
I'm also fine. And where are you going?
And I'm going to SMB.
SMB. You are going to SMB.
Yeah.
I have asked so many students, those who are speaking, that I am going to SMB. What the happening is?
Want to know from the student that do they like the way as you teach?
Do you like the way I teach you?
Yeah, I like your teaching style because you are very unique in this area.
So my dear YouTube family, I'm standing in front of like Khatupur Chowk, and here a program is going on like from SMB, and I would love to know from the student and from some of other student and for people that what do they think about SMB and the program. So let's come and talk to them. So excuse me, yeah, what's your name
My name is Mohammad Gulzar.
and from where are you?
I'm from Nawab Chowk, Pokhariya, Begusarai.
Okay, so what do you think about SMB? Do you know what is that?
Yeah, I know. First of all, I want to I want to tell you about SMB. SMB is a very great platform where we learn English language, and their environment is very outstanding, and their student they speak even a child, and environment is very fantastic.
Okay, that means you have like went SMB, right?
Yeah, I went SMB.
Okay, so what do you think that the way sir teach?
Good morning, viewer. I am Sonu, and I am the reporter of the SMB English. And today we are still same place and same moment and same things. And we are the talking about on the towards the road, and we will talk about the student who is going from there. Oh, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, and you?
आपने कभी एसएमबी का नाम सुना है आपके बेगूसराय में?
Yeah, I know. Listen, SMB.
क्या सुना है उसके बारे में? आपको क्या लगता है?
SMB is a very good platform where we learn English, and very good platform for learning.
जैसा कि आपने देखा किस तरह का क्रेज हमारे बच्चों में, हमारे एसएमबी के बच्चों में है, उसी प्रकार का क्रेज यहाँ पर हमेशा रहता है, शुरू से रहा है और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी होगा। और हम लोग
I'm okay, and you?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। एंड वेयर आर यू गोइंग?
And I'm going to SMB.
SMB. You are going to SMB.
Yeah.
I have asked so many students, those who are speaking, that I am going to SMB. What the happening is there? But we will see in the last. Okay. And why you are going to SMB?
Because today is program and the answer is sir is
Okay, no problem. You are looking so excited for the program.
yeah, I am so excited
Why you are so excited?
because I don't
You don't know English.
experience about public speaking, and sir
Oh, man. Yes, you are taking to experience of the public and the classroom and program also. Okay, good, very good. And what's your name?
my name is Ayan Iqbal.
Okay, Iqbal. And how are you?
I am fine also.
And then where are you going?
I am going to assembly class
You are going to assembly class. Why you are going to assembly class?
because there is program.
Oh my God! Do you know program is happening there? It's mean.
Yes.
Okay, you are so excited. I think.
Yes, I am so excited.
Why you are so excited?
Because their program is and all our students are coming in assembly today's, so I am so excited for this program.
मैं भी जस्ट वो प्रोग्राम से ही आ रहा हूँ और वहाँ का जो व्यू है यार बहुत ही थ्रिल व्यू है। मतलब आपको देख कैसा लगेगा कि नहीं मैं कहीं पे जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, आपको एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि मतलब आप वहाँ पे जाके आप 1 घंटा बैठोगे, 1.5 घंटा बैठोगे, आप वहाँ पे क्या सीखोगे?
मुझे मतलब एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा कि मतलब हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं, फिर इंग्लिश बोलना सीखेंगे थोड़ा बहुत,
ओके, नाइस।
दूसरे से मतलब सीखेंगे कुछ।
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रोग्राम। ओके, नाइस।
We have talked with a lot of students, and there is someone as well. We need to talk to them. So, what's your opinion? Like, are you excited for the program?
Yes, I am very excited.
Good to know. And you?
Yeah, I am also excited.
You like, what do you think this program is going to help Khatipur?
Yes, as the voice is so loud that I think that program is going so means everybody is excited to see the program.
Right, everybody is excited. So, what's your opinion that will this program change Khatipur environment?
Yes, this program not only Khatupur change environment, like Begusarai environment change because because in program a lots of student speaking English and removes our fear. Like public speaking also improve.
Right. So what's your like? What do you want to give suggestion to our like viewers? That is English easy or it's tough, something like that.
Yes, English is easy, but do hard work and easy. And you also you come SMB and you also learn and speak English.
Right. So in SMB, what do you find the unique quality?
I think that it's an only place in the Begusai that we can learn an fluent speaker, and we can remove our public speaking and all the things.
Right. That mean you like SMB English, right?
Yes.
So why do you like that?
I like that because it's also benefits in the various way. I like if you are going to a big institution, then it helps us a lot to talk to the many new peoples.
Right. So thank you so much for your feedback. Again, I am in front of you, and I want to know some more student about the SMB. So let's talk. Excuse me. What's your name?
Mohammad Ajmal
And from where you are?
from Khatapur,
Where are you going?
SME class, days program.
Okay. So do you know about the program, right?
Yes.
So tell me one thing. What is the quality do you like in sir?
Very much quality in sir. Like sir is very humble. Sir is very sir motivates us a lot, and sir teaches English and also some life lessons. What you can say.
Absolutely right. So what is the unique quality do you find in SMB?
Sir teaches us with friendly, and sir focus on every weak student.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely right. You're talking about. So which type of program is going on?
This program helps us to speak in front of crowd, and it gives us it boosts our confidence.
Okay, that means it is for removing our
It
fear.
helps everywhere. English is not a subject. English is a language.
Right. Thank you so much for your feedback. So now, as I have like we have already watched that sir was talking with boys. Now he is with the girls. Let's know that what they are talking. Come.
What is this, yeah?
What are you talking about?
I'm just having some conversation with my students actually. Right. So,
I think yeah, sure. I would ask. So hello.
Hi,
From where you are?
from Pokhariya.
Oh, right. That means you are coming from Pokhariya. So far, like areas. Why are you coming?
Issues.
it's not a big issue.
Okay, right. It was a big.
Because I am passionate, because I can do it easily.
You are passionate. So, what's your opinion? What is the unique quality do you find in assembly?
Please tell me again.
What is the unique quality do you find in assembly?
Lot of unique quality I find, like every students are disciplined and everyone has a confidence.
And I want to know from you.
From long distance,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
for spoken English, right? So, what do you think? Spoken English is measured in Begusarai? Does it? Can you please tell me? Is it needed in Begusarai?
Yes, sir.
Is spoken English needed in Begusarai?
Yes, sir. English is needed in everywhere, I think.
People don't speak English in this area. People don't speak English.
Especially needed in Begusrai, because in Begusrai everyone should use a very rough language, and because of this we should speak English.
The Bhojpuri local languages in Indian, so that's very rough actually. We should not use rough languages, right?
When we go outside, we face a lot of problems.
Yeah. Can you tell one quality that you like in this class?
Everyone, I think every person is able to speak in English, and everyone has self confidence, I think. If I would say to represent SMB in a sentence, what would you like to say?
What's your question, please?
If I would say to represent SMB in a sentence, what would you like to say?
Everyone has one unique quality. He and she is able to speak in English and active in every, like someone say something is active. She is active. I like this.
And what do you like in sir?
If we talk that just after listening that word corruption, what are the words that we think about them?
I think
Can you say something that what words come in your mind when you
sir are doing a very great job. I think sir can change someone's mindset. It is necessary in everyone's life, I think, and especially in this environment.
don't we think that
This is very great job.
we the individual are supposed to
You're talking and just holding the mic on. Don't do that. This is not a good habit. I was not ready for this actually.
We have to talk naturally as well. Yeah.
Naturally good. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Right. Thank you.
whenever we
Done. So let's see the student who is speaking onto the stage. You can see there also, and a lot of crowd is there, a lot of student is there, and we have to talk with them also. We have to know their opinion also. So come and know their opinion. Let's come. Okay, sir is sitting here. Let's come and talk to sir. Hello, sir.
Hi.
What are you talking here?
Just talking something actually because the guys have come from long distance. Okay, they came from Pokhariya, right? I'm just trying to know because after a long time he came and he is regularly coming to the class. So I was just talking. So what do you think about this?
It is a very beautiful environment. I see a lot of students are sitting in this time in the assembly. It is a very grateful hopes. Any coaching, we are a lot of students.
Everybody speaks English here. This is a good environment for Begusarai. No?
Yes, sir, everyone can speak English.
Yeah, this man speaks very
It
beautiful.
is very important.
I just came right there to say something. What do you think?
I think that assembly is the best platform to learning English, according to me, because in this tuition, everybody wants to come for learning English because here nature is very perfect.
Environment. So is he wearing a nice cap here? Can I wear it for you? How is this looking? No, it's not looking good. It's very small. Okay. All right.
I want to know, sir. I want to know something.
Yeah, please.
From the student, that do they like the way you teach?
I'm not getting.
I want to know from the student that do they like the way as you teach?
Do you like the way I teach? She asked.
Yeah, I like your teaching style because you are very unique in this area. Your teaching style and your thinking is very different to other.
My thinking is very different.
Student and teacher bond are very friendly, like a friendship bond has created me and my teacher.
Hey, understand, but don't cross the limits.
Yeah.
Don't take me for granted. I'm not your friend. Okay, I treat you like a friend, right? And there should be this type of environment, okay? Yeah, because we are teaching, spoken English, so we should do this type of things. Nice to talk to you. You're doing very well, and thus thank you for coming, okay? Come always whenever I do some events and all. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.